Welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to see your filters on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to see how to see your features or how to see filters on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on the plus mark and you have to make any of the video. Click on this red button which is in front of you and select. Pause this video and click on the red check mark. This video will be created. Now click on that and select the effects in this way, and you can also make this easily by discarding this effect, and you have to select this plus mark, click on effects. Here all the filters will appear here. If you want to search any or more filters, then you have to click on this and search filters from here. Thank you so much. That was all that how to see filters on TikTok. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.